Yeah, baby.
They're coming to get you.
Look at this thing. Hey, hey Jim. Hey, I got this other strut done. It was really much easier than the other side. It came out super easy. Let me show you. I took that bolt, that 18mm bolt that squeezes this clamp shut. I took it completely out on this side, and I don't know if that had any effect on it, but it just lifted right out, one little tap, and no problem. And then it went right back in, no problem. So this whole thing, taking it out, changing the spring and all the hardware and all that, only took like 40 minutes or so on this side. So that worked out good. But today, I'm going to put this thing in. This is the part that's broken that made the car kick the p0171 and p0174. That's running lean bank 1, lean bank 2. And the reason for that was this bellows on the original one is all cracked in between here. I'll show you when I get it out. So I ordered this one on eBay. I think it's a genuine BMW part. And I'm going to put it in. It's only going to take a screwdriver and a little bit of reaching, so it shouldn't be too hard. So the problem is down here. You can see the beginning of that part right here. And hold on. That's a better view. This is that elbow part right here. And you can see all of these cracks. And that's what's causing our problem. Complete vacuum leak. So that's what we're going to replace with this guy. Let me get a screwdriver. Yeah, the first thing I notice here is I'm going to pull this hose off of this fitting. This hose goes down here to the edge of our elbow. And when I grab it, it puts all this black stuff on my hands. So this hose is deteriorating. I'm going to replace this hose as well. But now that it's out of the way, I'm going to undo these hose clamps. There's one down here, there's one down here. So I'm going to get to all these hose clamps now. I cannot believe it's raining in California again. Look out for the mudslides. Here we have our old part and our new part. And you can see the new part came with a new connector. There's like a hard plastic connector here. And this one came out with this. So this hose clamp was already installed on this new part here. And then I transferred these two off of our old part. I'm going to take this elbow piece out. And then I'm going to go get a piece of hose and replace this before I put it on here. And then we'll put this whole shebang back in. But you can see here, when it's out, how really rotten and bad that is. It's surprising that this didn't throw a code way earlier than it did. I think my crazy drive where I was hitting speed bumps often one day, and then all of a sudden it threw the code. I'm sure shaking it around like that made this open up enough where it threw the code. I mean, this cracking has been going on a long time. So my bad behavior that day just finally probably made this one really give up. Well, okay. Stress test. That's what we do here. Stress test them once in a while. Okay, now I'm going to go find the parts for this hose, and I'm going to probably just go ahead and put it on in. Well, so there we have it. New parts in. Replace that rotten hose. So that should solve the p0171 and 0174 check engine light codes. Thanks for watching.